Hello, Jay Somerville, President of Webacom Media Corp. We wanted to keep you updated with technology, and for today's video for January 2018 is the Google Home Mini. And what we're going to talk about is why it's so crucial to your business and how Google search with this little device can literally make or break your business. So we're going to start very soon here, but just a little bit of background. And for some of you that might already have the Mini, we all know that technology is moving faster than we ever imagined. Each new year is bringing us more and more choices on how we control our homes, businesses, and more. Artificial intelligence is one of the technologies leading growth. As a result, the Google Home Mini has surpassed popularity to the point that it's selling so fast, distributors can't keep up. When I went to buy this one, I had to go to 3 different stores, and it was the very last store that had one, and they only had 1 unit left. So why is Google Home Mini so popular? Consumers are now getting more comfortable using voice control on their phones and speakers based gadgets like Google Home or Amazon Echo. It allows a variety of functions from playing song lists, calendars, recipe lists, alarms, Google search, streaming movies, Netflix, home automation, and more. And for those that have young children and or, in my case, grandchildren, when I watch them playing with their various different electronics, everything is based on using voice control, especially when it comes to looking for various different YouTubes, games, and various different functions. So we know very clearly that with our youth, age 6+, they're using voice control extensively. So how is this going to affect my business? Because home automation and stuff doesn't really have a lot to do with it. Well, what the difference is they're now using Google Mini to find various different products or services. They could be looking for a steakhouse. They could be looking for a Chinese restaurant. They could be looking for businesses like mine. Webacom, it could be web design. It could be marketing, whatever it might be. So anyways, what we did in our tests, and I'm going to be demonstrating this very shortly, is we figured out exactly how the algorithms work with reference to the output. Well, not quite all the intricate details of the algorithms, but we kind of figured it out. And what it does is it ties directly into Google My Business. For some of you that aren't familiar with that term, it's Google Maps. So where you see the reviews, hours of operation, your logo, pictures, various different things like that. The challenge is there's only about 2, 3, 4 results that are up there, and if they're on the second, third page, just like real organic Google search, it's only the top few businesses that are going to be listed. Now, upon our research, we've always had an extensively set up list for Google My Business, and there are a number of factors from hours of operation. You've got to verify your listing with a pin from Google, proper images, you need reviews, popularity in search, backlinks. There's quite a bit involved. If you need any help, just let us know, but it's very important. So what I want to do is just give you a quick example of how it works. So I'm going to wake Google up, and I'm going to simulate looking for a product called Cool Sculpting, not for me, for a customer in California. So let me just demonstrate how it works, and then I'm going to go directly into how I'm using it locally and how it might affect my business. Okay, so we're going to start with the Cool Sculpting. Hey Google, find Cool Sculpting clinics in Irvine, California.
I found a few places. The first one is Orange County Cool Sculpting at the Aesthetic Center OC at 3701 Birch Street number 200 in Newport Beach. The second one is Gravity Medical Spa at 2626 DuPont Drive number 10 in Irvine. The third one is Dr. Freeze Cool Sculpting Center of Orange County at 16460 Bake Parkway number 120 in Irvine.
Now, if you want, I've got to be careful with the word call. If you want it to call those businesses, you take your choice and you tell the Google Assistant to do so. So I'm saying quietly because I don't want it to call right now. Now, Gravity Med Spa is our customer. That's one phrase, but now they're number 1 for a few. So let me give you another example. Hey Google, Cool Sculpting, Irvine.
I found a couple places. The first one is Gravity Medical Spa at 2626 DuPont Drive number 10 in Irvine. The second one is Dr. Freeze Cool Sculpting Center of Orange County at 16460 Bake Parkway number 120 in Irvine.
So again, just how you phrase it, whether you're using the word clinic or just cool sculpting or what have you, but you can see that we did get our client in there in the number 1 and number 2 spot, which is absolutely crucial, especially when it ties directly into the phone system. Now let me just show you selfishly how it works for me locally sitting in the city in Nanaimo. Hey Google, web design Nanaimo.
I found a few places. The first one is Web Design Nanaimo at 208D, 2520 Bowen Road in Nanaimo. The second one is Webacom Media Corporation at 2520 Bowen Road number 208B in Nanaimo. The third one is Array Web Plus Creative at 410 to 256 Wallace Street in Nanaimo.
Okay, in those cases, I have the first 2 listings, Web Design Nanaimo as well as Webacom Media Corp. So you can see how important it is for your business to be on top of this technology. AI, artificial intelligence, is the way the market is leading. So the faster you're able to figure out how to use this type of automation and how it directly affects your business, the sooner the better, because this is the way the market is going to go. Thank you so much, and looking forward to potentially helping you throughout your business ventures.